The DJI Mini series changed the way creators think about compact drones, small enough to carry almost anywhere, light enough to stay practical, and powerful enough to capture cinematic footage that once required a much larger aircraft. But now, a new name is creating serious attention across the drone world: the DJI Mini 6 Pro. The internet is already filled with dramatic images, huge camera claims, incredible battery promises, and even supposed launch dates. Some people are calling it the next king of compact drones. Others believe the Mini series has already reached its limit. So, what is really happening? Is the DJI Mini 6 Pro actually coming? When could it arrive? And what upgrades would make it worth waiting for? In this video, we are cutting through the noise. We will look at what is currently known, which claims should be treated carefully, and what DJI could realistically improve in its next-generation mini drone. And stay with me until the end, because the most important question is not whether the Mini 6 Pro could be powerful. It is whether DJI can make a major upgrade while keeping the drone compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. First, we need to clear up one important point. At the time of making this video, DJI has not officially announced the DJI Mini 6 Pro. There is no confirmed product page, no official specification sheet, and no verified release date. That means many of the images and specifications circulating online should not be treated as confirmed information. Some are concept designs, some are predictions, and some appear to be AI-generated visuals rather than real product leaks. But that does not mean the Mini 6 Pro conversation is meaningless. The Mini series remains one of the most important parts of DJI's drone lineup, and every new generation creates huge expectations. The real question is what DJI could do next. After pushing compact drone technology so far, the biggest challenge is simple. Every major upgrade adds something new: more sensors, more processing power, a larger camera system, stronger motors, or a bigger battery. But every extra component also adds weight, and the Mini series is built around staying extremely compact. That is why the DJI Mini 6 Pro could be more difficult to design than many people realize. The first major area where users will expect an upgrade is the camera. Camera quality is now one of the biggest reasons people choose a Mini Pro drone. Travel creators want more detail. Filmmakers want better dynamic range. Social media creators want cleaner footage in difficult lighting. And photographers want more flexibility when editing images. A future Mini 6 Pro could focus less on chasing unrealistic resolution numbers and more on improving the quality of every frame. Better image processing could produce cleaner shadows, more natural colors, and stronger detail without making footage look artificially sharp. Improved low-light performance could also be a major upgrade. A compact drone often has to work with limited camera space, so DJI may focus on making the existing sensor technology more efficient, instead of simply making the camera much larger. One feature that would attract serious creators is a better variable aperture system. This could give users more control over exposure and depth, especially when filming in bright conditions. It would also make the Mini 6 Pro feel closer to a professional camera drone while keeping the convenience of a small foldable design. Another possibility is faster sensor readout. This could help reduce rolling shutter distortion when the drone moves quickly or captures fast action. It may not sound as exciting as a huge resolution number, but it could make a visible difference in real-world footage. And then there is video resolution. Online rumors often jump straight to 6K or even 8K. Those claims sound impressive, but resolution is only one part of image quality. Higher resolution creates more heat, requires more processing power, and produces larger files. For many creators, better 4K quality, improved color, stronger dynamic range, and higher frame rates would be more useful than an extreme resolution number. So instead of expecting a huge jump just for marketing, the smarter upgrade could be a more refined camera system that produces cleaner and more professional footage in real situations. But the camera is only one part of the story. The next major upgrade could be obstacle sensing. A compact drone can capture incredible footage, but flying confidently around trees, buildings and moving subjects is still one of the biggest challenges. Better obstacle detection could make the Mini 6 Pro safer and more useful, especially for creators who fly alone. Future sensors could become more accurate in low light and better at recognizing thin objects such as branches and wires. DJI could also improve the way the drone combines sensor information with intelligent flight software. That could mean smoother movement, fewer sudden corrections, and more natural tracking. Imagine filming a cyclist moving through a forest trail. The drone would need to follow the subject, understand the environment, avoid obstacles, and keep the camera framed correctly, all at the same time. That requires more than sensors. It requires fast processing and intelligent software. This is where AI could play a much bigger role. The Mini 6 Pro may use improved subject recognition to understand what it is filming. Instead of simply following a moving object, the drone could analyze the scene and make smarter decisions about framing. It could recognize when a subject is temporarily hidden, predict movement more accurately, and return to the correct position without creating sudden or unnatural camera motion. That could make automated tracking feel less like a basic feature and more like having a virtual camera operator in the sky. However, advanced AI would also need to remain reliable, a feature that works perfectly in a controlled demonstration but struggles in real outdoor conditions would not be enough. DJI would need to improve consistency, especially around complex environments. Now, let us talk about flight time. Battery life is always one of the most requested upgrades. Every drone pilot knows the feeling. You find the perfect location, the light looks amazing, and just as you prepare for another shot, the battery warning appears. A longer flight time would give creators more freedom. But there is a difficult balance. A larger battery adds weight, and weight is one of the most important limits in a compact mini drone. That means a future Mini 6 Pro may need more efficient motors, better battery technology, and smarter power management rather than simply using a much larger battery. A realistic improvement could give users more useful flight time without changing the size of the drone dramatically. But extremely high claims, such as nearly an hour of flight in a tiny mini-sized aircraft, should be treated with caution until DJI provides official information. The more interesting question is not just how long the drone can stay in the air, it is how much useful flying time it can deliver in real conditions. Wind, temperature, speed, camera settings, and flight style all affect battery performance. A strong Mini 6 Pro would need to maintain stable performance instead of only producing an impressive number under ideal testing conditions. Wind resistance could also become an important upgrade. Compact drones are easy to carry, but their small size can make strong wind more challenging. Improved motors and smarter flight control could help the Mini 6 Pro remain stable while using power more efficiently. That would be valuable for travel creators who cannot always wait for perfect weather. The next possible upgrade is transmission range and connection quality. A drone is only as useful as the connection between the aircraft and the controller. A stronger transmission system could improve image stability, reduce interference, and provide a more reliable live view. But range is not only about flying farther. For many users, a stable connection in crowded areas is more important than an extreme distance number. The Mini 6 Pro could improve signal reliability around buildings, trees, and areas with heavy wireless interference. A cleaner live feed would also help creators frame shots more accurately. DJI may also improve the controller experience. A brighter display, faster response, better battery life, and smoother integration with editing tools could make the entire system feel more complete. Small improvements can have a major effect when users fly regularly. Now, what about the design? The Mini 6 Pro will probably remain compact and foldable because portability is one of the biggest reasons people choose the Mini series. The body could become more aerodynamic, with cleaner lines and improved airflow. DJI may also redesign the sensor placement to provide better coverage without making the drone look much larger. The camera housing could receive a new shape as well, especially if DJI adds more advanced imaging technology. But the design cannot become too complicated. The Mini series works because it is easy to carry, quick to unfold, and simple to launch. A future model should improve performance without losing that convenience. This is where the Mini 6 Pro could surprise people. Instead of looking completely different, it may keep a familiar shape while introducing major changes inside. Better processing, improved sensors, more efficient motors, and smarter software could create a bigger, real-world upgrade than a dramatic redesign. Now let us discuss the possible release date. At this stage, there is no official launch date. Some predictions point toward late 2026, while others believe 2027 may be more realistic. The timing depends on DJI's development plans, the age of the current generation, and whether the company sees a reason to introduce a new Mini model quickly. A late 2026 launch cannot be completely ruled out, but it would be a relatively fast transition if the previous model is still new. A 2027 release may give DJI more time to develop meaningful improvements rather than releasing a small update with a new name. That is important because the Mini 6 Pro needs more than a minor camera adjustment. If DJI launches a new generation, users will expect a clear reason to upgrade. Better low-light footage, more intelligent tracking, stronger obstacle sensing, improved efficiency, and a more reliable connection could create that reason. Price is another major question. There is no confirmed price, but a future Mini 6 Pro would likely remain positioned as a premium compact drone. Advanced sensors, improved camera technology, and stronger processing could increase the cost. The real challenge for DJI would be keeping the price competitive, while delivering enough improvements to justify a new generation. If the Mini 6 Pro becomes too expensive, some buyers may choose a larger drone with more professional features. If it remains affordable but offers only small improvements, existing Mini owners may decide to keep their current model. So DJI would need to find the right balance. A compact drone should not only be powerful, it should also be practical. Now comes the question many people are asking. Should you wait for the DJI Mini 6 Pro? If you already own a recent Mini Pro model and it still meets your needs, waiting may be the smarter choice. There is no confirmed launch date, and buying decisions should not be based on unverified images or dramatic online claims. But if you need a drone now for travel, content creation, photography, or video work, waiting for an unannounced product could mean missing months of useful filming. Technology is always moving forward. There will always be another model, another upgrade, and another rumor.